Newcastle County in northern Delaware, Salem County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey, Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, southwestern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 12:45 p.m. At 11:46 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Greenville to near Bear, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Camden, Wilmington, Gloucester City, Chester, Deptford, West Deptford, Glassboro, Pennsville, Belmore, Woodbury, Pittman, Clayton, Carneys Point, Folcroft, Ellesmere, Paulsboro, Newcastle, Penns Grove, and Salem. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 1 and 3. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 20. Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile markers 4 and 23. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 348 and 351. Interstate 76 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 3. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 29. Interstate 676 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 3. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 1. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:45 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Delaware and Philadelphia, and Newcastle, Delaware, and the following counties in New Jersey: Camden,